Gloxinias are plants that thrive exclusively indoors. These bell-shaped flowers bloom gradually over time. There are different varieties of Gloxinias. They come in several colors. You can find pink ones like this, pink and white, blue and red. Those are the main colors of Gloxinias. However, the Gloxinia does have, let's say, one major drawback. You hardly see them anymore. You could say they had almost disappeared from florist shops because of their brittle leaves, which are difficult to transport. So I don't know if you can still find, like in the past, Gloxinias that were 30 or 40 centimeters in diameter with leaves 20 or 25 centimeters long. Here, this is a dwarf variety, probably because of transportation. So if you look at the pot is very small. What I recommend then, this is exceptional. Usually we don't do this is to repot our Gloxinia. The other reason is that Gloxinia likes constant humidity. Because of a small pot, you risk either a lack of water or too much water. Changing the pot and the substrate helps solve this issue. Gloxinias do not like calcareous soils. They actually prefer acidic soil. So I'm going to make a mix of what's called heath soil combined with a bit of compost to enrich it. Next, I'll choose a fairly large clay pot so our Gloxinia can really thrive. At the bottom of the pot I put some stones, mainly to add weight, but especially to provide drainage. I put half of the substrate at the bottom of the pot. And here's the main challenge when repotting a Gloxinia. You have to be very careful, once again, not to break the leaves. So, using your hand, you need to gently move the leaves aside and carefully slide the substrate along the inside wall of the pot. Turn the pot as you go and lightly press down with your thumb. Once you finish repotting, water your Gloxinia thoroughly. If, exceptionally, you've repotted your Gloxinia while it's in bloom, you should still remove any wilted flower. The other flowers will remain on the Gloxinia, and place the Gloxinia in a warm room with a minimum temperature of 20 degrees and a maximum of 25 degrees in filtered light, never in direct sunlight, as direct sun can burn the leaves.